If you're looking to dive into AI affiliate marketing, here's a quick breakdown of the best programs available in 2024. These programs not only boost earning potential but also make it easy for marketers and content creators to promote valuable AI tools. Diverse programs. Choose from affiliate programs that let you earn by promoting a variety of AI tools. High commissions. Many programs offer commissions up to 50%, creating attractive revenue opportunities. Extended cookie durations. Long tracking windows ensure that you capture referrals for longer, maximizing potential earnings. Cutting-edge tools. These AI programs offer tools for productivity, marketing, and creativity, helping your audience work smarter. Built-in support. Affiliates get marketing support and resources to effectively promote these AI tools. Real-time dashboard. Track your earnings, clicks, and referrals in real time. Free to join. Many programs are free to sign up, making it easy for new affiliates to start earning. Expanding market potential. AI is a rapidly growing field, making these programs perfect for reaching tech-savvy audiences. High conversion rates. Many AI tools solve practical problems, leading to better conversions when marketed well. Recurring commissions. Some programs provide ongoing commissions, building a steady income stream. Wide range of niches. From SEO to video editing, these programs allow you to promote tools aligned with your audience's interests. Community building. Many of these programs encourage community engagement, opening doors for networking and collaboration. Performance bonuses. Reach new heights with milestone bonuses for hitting referral targets. Data-driven resources. Most programs offer modern tracking tools, helping you make informed, data-backed marketing decisions. With AI adoption on the rise, these affiliate programs allow you to connect audiences with powerful tools while earning attractive commissions. Here is a list. Colossian, GetResponse, SEMrush, Anyword, Pro Writing Aid, WriteSonic, Phrase, Text Cortex, Quillbot, Jasper, Notion AI, GetGenie, ScaleNut, AI SEO, Hypotenuse, Bertha, vidIQ, TubeBuddy, Descript, Pixlr, Deep Artifacts, Simplified, Seamless, Bit.ai, Murph, Otter, The Banana Republic, Hour One, Eli, Kaplan, Vidya, Sora, Munch AI, Based Lab, ZebraCat, Flicky, VED, InVideo, Pictory AI, Deep Brain, Synthesia, HeyGen, Murph, AVC Labs, Lander, and Surfer. With the explosion of AI tools on the market, businesses now have endless options to streamline and improve operations across every department. This list of top AI affiliate programs showcases the best AI software available and the most profitable affiliate opportunities. By incorporating these AI tools into your affiliate strategy, you can offer your audience powerful productivity solutions while boosting your own earnings.